Hello and welcome. After 5,000 traders downloaded TrendFusion Ultimate trading system, the number one question was not how to install it, it was how to optimize it for maximum profits. Watch this. I took the same indicator that gave me 28 million % profit on Bitcoin, applied my secret optimization method to NVIDIA stock, and turned the indicator performance with default settings of 23,000% on the left table, as you see over here, into the 490,000% net profit over here with optimized parameters. So in this video, I will show you exactly how I did it and how you can do the same with any trading instrument. Here is what most traders do not understand. There is an old saying in trading that no strategy works all the time and no strategy works on all instruments. This is absolute true. What works perfectly on Bitcoin's volatile swings might fail miserably on NVIDIA's steady trends. That's why the pros do not just download an indicator and use default settings. What they do is they find the matching pair, strategy plus instrument, and then optimize the parameters to maximize performance. Think of it like tuning a race car engine for different tracks. Same car, different settings, maximum performance. So today I'm going to show you my Iterative Optimization Method, the same process I use to squeeze every percentage point of profit from any trading system. For those joining us for the first time, let me quickly show you what TrendFusion Ultimate does. This is not just another moving average. It is a sophisticated momentum system based on 3 core indicators working together to generate trading signals. First, we have dynamic moving average that adapts for market conditions. Second, DMI component that measures directional momentum. And third, ADX filter that confirms trend strength. Let's take a look at what we have on this chart. We have NVIDIA stock and we have TrendFusion Ultimate indicator applied on this chart. This is the configuration of this indicator. We have moving average indicator settings, we have DMI indicator settings, and we have ADX indicator settings. The magic happens when all 3 align. You get crystal clear long and exit long signals right on your chart. And here is the best part. You see your results in real time. Win rate, profit factor, total trades, everything you need to know if your optimization is working. You can see live backtest performance in this statistics table on the chart. The multicolored trend line of this indicator over here, it can be red, yellow, or lime green. So this multicolored trend line tells the story. Lime green means strong bullish momentum here. Yellow over here means market is neutral. And red over here means market is bearish. So you enter long position whenever the line becomes lime green, right over here. And you stay long as the line is lime green color. When the line changes its color on yellow or on red, you exit the position. So this is how this indicator works. For today's optimization session, I've selected NVIDIA stock. But why NVIDIA stock? Because look at this chart of NVIDIA stock. What do you see? Look at this beautiful trending action. This is exactly what TrendFusion Ultimate was designed to capture. Strong, consistent moves with clear directional bias. So I'm starting the optimization session with default settings for this indicator. Let's open the properties of this indicator. So remember, whenever you start optimizing the settings, to switch preset to custom value. So custom value on this indicator are actually matching the Bitcoin value. That's why you see 23,000% net profit on BTC and on custom. So when you switch to custom, then you can change the indicator settings and they will take effect on this trading system. We're starting off from these parameters. Now we're going to change them to optimize the backtest performance that is displayed live on this statistics table. So right now you see that we have 23,000% net profit. We will try to improve this backtest performance. Now comes my secret sauce, Iterative Optimization Method. This is not random tweaking that I'm going to do. This is systematic process that professional traders use to extract maximum performance. Here is how it works. We have several parameters on our trading indicator. We're going to optimize parameters sequentially from top to bottom, each parameter. We optimize first parameter, we switch to the second, and so on. We're going to do that optimization in multiple rounds until we can no longer improve backtest performance. That's it. We prioritize net profit percentage first, so that's our primary parameter that we're going to optimize, but we're going to keep an eye on other parameters as well, like profit factor. We're going to try to make it as high as possible, and a number of trades to add validity for our trades that we get in backtest performance. The more trades we have, the more valid our backtest. Now let's have closer look at this graph. It represents on x-axis we have indicator values. For example, for moving average period, it's going to be moving average period like from 0 until 200 or even more. Entire range which we select when we try to optimize that parameter for the indicator. So this indicator value on y-axis on this graph, we have profit in percent. Each dot on this line represents basically a value of the parameter that we are optimizing, and also it represents corresponding profit that backtest is gonna give us based on the selected indicator value. As you see here, we have several local peaks. We have 3 peaks, 1 peak, 2 second peak, and 3rd peak. What is a peak? Peak is an indicator value giving us highest profit comparing to the nearest indicator values. This point gives us net profit higher than the previous point and higher than the following point. Therefore, this is a local top. This is the second local top. This is the 3rd local top. So what you do, you select and increment the indicator value until you find several local tops, and from these local tops, you select the local top value that giving you the highest net profit. So this is the essence of this iterative optimization method. We do that for the first parameter, then we do that the same for the second, and so on till we finish all parameters in one round. Then we're gonna do the second round. Then we're going to iterate. We're gonna start from the first parameter as well until we can no longer improve our backtest performance. So now let's switch back to the graph and to our indicator parameters that we are going to optimize. So our first parameter is gonna be MA period. So we have how many parameters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parameters. Let's select linear regression for MA type. The reason is that from my experience it works best on trending markets. Simple moving average work as good as well. However, on strong trends, linear regression works best. When you have list parameters in your list of parameters, I recommend to select it first and then complete the entire optimization process of all parameters. Then if you wish, you can change the list parameter, because this is the list because it has a list of other values over here. Then you change it to SMA, for example, and you do entire process again. To speed up this optimization process for this demonstration, let's keep linear regression only. Usually it works best for trending markets. And we are going to optimize all other parameters. Let's start from MA period. You see, we can change it by one. You see, when we changed it, the net profit changes. So I'm going to change these parameters. I'm going to keep an eye on net profit. I'm going to make sure we get highest possible after all the changes we done for these parameters, right? So you see, when I change it, the net profit changes. I'm going to try to find the highest possible. But to speed up the process, I'm going to do not by one. I can change it by 10, by 5. So we start from 35, and then we get 76,000. Then let's select 45 by 10. So we have 41, we have less. Let's select 55, we have 44, let's 65, 34, let's try 75. So we have 123. This is a lot. So now 75, 123. So let's try 80. It's less, right? Let's try 90. It's less, right? So we had 75 giving us 123. I found local top in terms of plus minus 5 or 10. So let's be more precise now. 75, 76. So 78 is decreasing. Net profit is decreasing. Let's try go down. 74, 118, 123. It's biggest, right? 144. Okay, 136. So we found local peak. How do I know that? So we see we get 144k percent net profit for 71. If I increase it, it becomes less, 124. If I decrease it, it becomes less again. So 71 is highest. Let's move to the next. DMI. For DMI period, so let's increase it. Oh, it's bigger, right? 158. Now it's less. Less. Okay, so this was the biggest. Now let's go down. So 264. Okay, so 264 was the highest, right? Okay, so let's select 264, which is whenever we picked the 6, it gave us basically highest net profit, right? For 6, it's giving us 264. 1000% profit over here. For 7, it gives us less, 144. And for 5, it gives us less as well, 202. Therefore, we found another local peak for this parameter. Let's move next. ADX smoothing period. So let's try 20. So 360, that's higher that we have. That's good. So 25, 367, even higher. Let's keep increasing it. 30, 383, I think it's even higher. 35, 417. Okay, 417. So let's try 40. Oh, it's less. So then 40. So 421, 45. It did not change. So let's try to increase it. No, it's not increasing. So 421. So let's just decrease it. So we still have 421,000% profit. Okay, so 417. Okay, so for 39, it's giving us the basically 421,000% profit over here. Now let's switch to ADX level. ADX level, let's change it. No, whenever we change it, its net profit is decreasing. Okay, for 21, it's giving us the highest, right? So now when we change it less, it still stays 21. So let's keep it 21. So we finished the first round of optimizing all the parameters. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna check if these parameters are optimal or not. We're gonna start second round optimizing it. So basically we get 71. We're gonna try to increase it. Okay, so net profit became $490,000. Now it becomes less when I keep increasing, right? So 490 our peak, right? And if we change it, let's say 70, no, it's much less and less. So 72 is a peak because we get 490,000 for this. So now let's check this. So we completed optimizing in the second round, we completed optimization for the first parameter. Now let's switch to the second. Make sure that it is optimal. We change it higher. It did not improve the net profit. We change it less. It did not improve it. So that means it's good enough. It's optimal, in other words. So let's try to change this and see if it's going to improve net profit. No, it's not improving. Okay, it's not improving. And it's not improving if I go down. This means that it's optimal. And for the last parameter, which is ADX trend level, let's see if you can improve it. No, it's not improving. It's reducing the net profit when I change this, when I increase it. So let's reduce it. Let's make it smaller. Now, so that let's keep it as it was, because any changes of this ADX trend did not improve our net profit. Now we finish second round, and then if we try to do it again on the third round, any change we do is not improving it, right? 71, 72 is our best, and this is not improving it, right? And so on. You get the idea, right? So any changes of these parameters do not improve our net profit, meaning we found optimal values for this indicator, for this financial instrument. So optimization completed. Look at these incredible results that we have achieved. 490,722% net profit. This is where we got from original 23,000% net profit. So this is 21x improvement. But this is not only about net profit. As we discussed, it's our primary parameter that we optimize. But when we do that, we keep an eye on some other important parameter as well. They're secondary, but they're important too. Drawdown, we want to make sure that our drawdown is as small as possible, 36%, right? This is down, this is improvement from 43%, which we had before. This is improvement. And profit factor, we have 3.16. This is up from original to 21. So we improved not only net profit, we improved max drawdown and profit factor. Here is beautiful part. This exact same process works for any trading instrument. Forex pairs, crypto, commodities, indices. This iterative optimization method adapts to any market. Once you complete optimization, you have two choices. If you are happy with the performance, use these optimized parameters with confidence. If you are not happy, simply move on and find another instrument to backtest and optimize. So the TrendFusion Ultimate Indicator with full optimization capabilities is completely free, as you know. Download link in the description below. If you want to master this optimization process, hit the subscribe button. I'll be releasing advanced parameters optimization strategies for different markets. Until next time, keep optimizing, keep profiting, and I'll see you in the next video.